Hello, we will be looking at star counts, and we want to look at the ratio between the green stars, the white stars, and the red stars in the Alta constellation. The goal is to try to find the three unknowns. For now, we will be looking at these two number lines. So how do you read these two number lines? Well, one way to think about it is that if you see 0 green stars, then you should see 0 white stars. Similarly, if you see 120 green stars, then you should see 200 white stars. Now we want to find how many white stars we can see if we can see 180 green stars. We're going to solve it in two different ways. The first way is to go backwards and then forwards. So, if we take 120 and we split it in half, we get 60. Since we see half as many green stars, we should see half as many white stars. So that means we can multiply 200 by 1/2, and this gives us 100. Now, here's something to notice. From 0 to 60, we're just adding 60 green stars. But from 0 to 100, we're adding 100 white stars. We can do this again. 60 green stars plus 60 more gives us 120. 100 white stars plus 100 gives us 200. And if you notice, 120 plus 60 is 180. So that means we can have another 100 white stars. So 200 plus 100 gives us 300. Now, we're going to try another method. Rather than going backwards, we want to go forwards instead. So how do we do this? Well, one question we have to ask ourselves is, how does 180 compare to 120? If we do a little bit of testing, we find out that 180 is 1.5 times bigger than 120. If we see 1.5 times more green stars, then we should see 1.5 times more white stars as well. So if we take 200 times 1.5, we get 300. Hope you guys found this helpful, and good luck finding the other two unknowns.